How to turn on or turn off vibration for calendar alerts on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Sounds and Haptics. Next, in here, scroll down and then tap on Calendar Alerts. Now we go to the top and tap on Haptics. And if you want to turn off vibration, simply select None. Otherwise, you can select one of the vibration pattern from the standard list. Or you can even create your own custom vibration pattern as well by tapping on Create New Vibration. So just simply tap on your screen. You can do a short tap or a long tap to create your own unique vibration pattern, and then tap on Saved. And that's it. So that is how you can turn on or turn off or change the vibration for calendar alerts on the iPhone 16 series. Finally, swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.